Good afternoon, everyone. It is class 10, December 15th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, 4C, Wednesday, third period. I'm very sorry about my cough. I still haven't been able to shake it off, but let's do our best. Okay, today you don't have that much that you have to do. As usual, you have your textbook answers from the last class. But you do have a new grammar quiz. This is almost one of the last ones left that you have to do. You have to do this one for 13 and 14, and then one for 15 and 16. So after this one, there are only two more grammar quizzes. But please make sure that you get this done before we come back on in January. That's due January 6th, 2022 at 11 p.m. Otherwise, all you have left is just your homework for this week. So basically just your grammar quiz and your homework. But I want you to make sure that what I assigned to you last week, that you don't forget, okay? You had 3 new assignments last week. One of them is the language lounge. And I'm going to check right now how many people have actually done this. Only 4 people have already done this. So I understand that the deadline for it is next week, but if everybody waits until the next week, then suddenly the language lounge is going to get really, really busy. So I suggest you get this done as soon as you can, at the very least. Okay, at least make an appointment. Make an appointment with the language lounge. It doesn't have to be tonight. It doesn't have to be today. You can maybe make an appointment for a little later, maybe Saturday or Sunday or Monday, but make an appointment at least, because if suddenly, it's December 22nd and you go, oh no, I forgot about that assignment, you're not going to get the same day for the time that you call. I suggest that you right away make an appointment. Also, don't forget that you have your reading quiz. That's not due for a long time, but I just want you to remember this is here. So don't forget, you have a reading quiz that's due on February 3rd. And this mid-semester survey, I'm pretty sure, only, oh, no, you actually, a lot of you have done this, 10. 10 is the highest number out of first period. First period had, I think, like 7 people. Second period had only 4 people, but you guys are the highest. 10 people have already sent this in, but please, not just 10 people. I want all of the students to submit their answers to the mid-semester survey. Okay, so don't forget these 3. And this week, you have your grammar quiz and your homework. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. Otherwise, you can stay behind in this class and we can talk after the class is finished. Okay, thanks very much.